Goated soup that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We call Jamaica
Manish water.
Most people don't know how to cook salmon now. I'm the salmon expert. Most people overcook salmon, so we're gonna see if they overcook it or not.
Jerk turkey.
We do 12 to 15 pounds of jerk turkey. We do it whole.
Don't play. If you're in Florida, you got some good food, and you want me to come review your spot, test out your food, I eat strictly seafood. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me know. Drop down in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna reach out to you. I'm gonna come check y'all out. Shalom, shalom, people. We back with another food review. We in South Florida still, but we're not down. So we in West Palm Beach, right? As you can see, Golden Krust. Everybody know about Golden Krust, right? But this one it's been a little talk about this one. Like the food hit a little different for most of the Golden Krust. So we gonna go find out if the food is really what they talking about, all right? We want an exclusive review too, so I'm gonna see if I can get to the back. More than likely I'm get to the back, because I'm me. I travel with peace, all right? Let's go. Go inside. Are we getting it exclusive one way or the other? See what they got in here. Good coconut water, 100% pure. Let's see. We're gonna try this too. All right. Fruit medley. Okay. Sea moss. But that feel good. We got Eternal Roots tonics. They need some tonic in their system. All right, people. What else we have? Natural juice. This is like peanut punch. Agony. Yeah, peanut punch. I forget that. Of course, good cheese. Sauce up. So far, people, I'm impressed. It's very clean in here. I like how they set it up. All right. I see. Hurricane relief. Right there, people come and drop off. You see that over there? Hurricane stuff drop off. That's a plus right there. They got a plus on me. I'm waiting to see if I get it exclusive. I already talked to the girl. We're gonna get it exclusive. We're going to the bag. We want to see if they really cooking. Like they said, ain't cooking. No response?
Yeah, just saw the text that she sent.
What she said?
So you're here to do some shots?
VIP. You shouldn't say I'm VIP, like very important. She didn't say I was very important. She should have said I'm very important. So she's not coming. So you're gonna be
She's coming.
So you don't want to be a star?
So she's gonna be here. She should be here already. So she said she's gonna be here for 9
I was about to make you a star. You don't want to be a star?
I'm already a star.
All right, that me I talk about. She said she's a star, people. This about to be on YouTube, by the way. This right here about to be on YouTube.
Oh, that's about to be on.
This is about to be on YouTube. We need the exclusive. What's your name?
Tammy.
Tammy. Big up yourself, Tammy. All right, we getting exclusive, people. People, it's 9 o'clock, so it look like breakfast. What time breakfast is over? Huh? As soon as it's finished, it look like breakfast almost over, people. So yeah, that says a lot. It's 9 o'clock. That means that the food good.
Okay, I need to set these up.
Okay.
And I need 3 pennies.
All right. See that? Second round. The food after good. Aki and Saf is done already. She just bring back out some. Yeah, I'll get that tonight. Salt fish and butter beans. Yeah, see that right there, people? That's my favorite right there. Yeah, bulgur porridge, cornmeal porridge. Well, you got curry goat out so early, huh? Curry chicken out early. Oxtail out early. Don't worry, I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I need close up. All right, I'll turn outside just to show the hours, people. Oh, they open early. 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Oh, 7 days a week. No, Sunday they open 8. Okay. 7 o'clock. You know how hard it is to find a restaurant open at 7? Matter of fact, it's very hard to find a restaurant open at 7. And if a restaurant open at 7, usually they switch it up because they don't get as much. So that means that it's busy. Okay, DoorDash, Uber Eats, they doing all of that. West Palm Beach. I can check them out. We're gonna get the exclusive in a second. What did soup that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We call Jamaica manish water.
Manish water. Good. My rice in that. You want more soup? White rice. Rice and peas. Okay. Okay. What is this? Chinese rice.
Yeah, or fried rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Alright, fried rice. Chicken in the middle.
That's our wings, jerk wings,
Jerk wings,
sweet
people.
chili wings, and barbecue chicken.
Wow. Okay.
Over here we have our famous oxtail.
Oxtail, you have to love oxtail, you know. Brown stew chicken.
Stew chicken,
Right.
curry goat,
Curry goat.
and curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Right here we have cow foot,
I used to love cow foot when I used to eat meat, you know. Cow foot.
stew peas.
Stupid, that's the vegan one?
No, the one with the pigtail.
Pigtail, alright.
What there is the vegan one.
Vegan stew peas, people.
Yes, and this is our rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta.
She's filling up.
Is the porridge done already now?
Yeah, that's a cornmeal porridge.
Okay.
Almost out. So we do like bulgur and we do like 2 in the morning.
Okay.
Yes, the bulgur ones.
Gotcha.
And over there we have the patties.
Yeah. Patty. You guys are known, started off with patty, right?
Yeah, the Golden Krust patties, they're very tasty.
Spicy beef, mild beef, jerk chicken, people, jerk chicken.
Curry chicken.
My favorite.
Cater for the vegetarian as well, the vegetable
This is my favorite, the spinach one.
Spinach one.
The spinach is a must try.
Yeah. Just the other day alone, that is nice.
Buster. People, if you remember Buster, drop in the comments. Buster candy. Stackerback. All right. Chef Peter. Your name Peter?
Yeah.
You cook everything?
Yeah.
The boss?
And it's good.
You and his lady?
Yeah.
So you're a chef? You didn't tell me say you're a chef.
Yeah, Chef S.
Chef S. All right. Question. What you think is the most popular meal that you guys? Oxtail?
And jerk chicken.
And jerk chicken. So you, no seafood?
Not much. No, fried fish and salmon.
Something wrong with them if they don't have that seafood. Yeah. I'm the seafood guy. Hold on there, Buster. I'm not Buster, then Peter. I told you just see one fish there. All right. See fish right there. Fish ready enough, people. No, so that one there is mine. I said fried chicken.
Not really.
Not ready yet. That's not a heavy order?
No. Yes. It's what?
They don't order much fried chicken?
No, do a small food, you know, finish a little more.
Oh, fried chicken usually get ordered more later on. Fried chicken is later on, people. All right, Peter, you're the boss, you know. You're the top chef around here.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Are you do everything? 7 days a week?
No, we have prep coming once a week. But we have one time a week in take one.
Okay.
Do one in a year.
All right, Peter. Big Chef Peter. What's that, for macaroni and cheese?
No, the macaroni pasta.
Macaroni pasta. Okay. Gotcha. All right, the place, the food look good already, you know. We're going to have to start by eating meat. People, the food look good. I might have to start back eating meat. You know, I only eat seafood, but the jerk chicken look good. Pig tail, fresh jerk chicken, you know, fresh off of the grill. Hold on, let me show you the jerk chicken. All right. You have jerk pork? Oh boy. I don't eat pork, by the way, since I don't eat meat.
For the advertisement.
What is it?
For the advertisement, they make
They have jerk pork. How you sell the jerk pork? By the pound. All right, you can get the jerk pork by the pound, or you can get it as a meal. All right. Gotcha. Hold on, people. We got an exclusive.
Okay.
I got some questions. What's your name?
It's Lakeisha Hawthorne.
Keisha Hall. So what's your position here?
I'm the owner and franchise owner.
Franchise owner?
Yes.
Oh, so you guys are a franchise?
Yes, we're a franchise.
Oh, nice. I like the fact that you're a franchise owner and you're in about working people. You don't see that. You don't see that much. You don't see that
I'm
much.
stuck in Aki because of the hurricane, so I'm making sure we ordered like 20 cases of Aki, so I'm keeping it at home in the garage.
That's good. I like that.
So
Question.
stocking
I know
them
this is
up.
West Palm. How much Golden Krust is in West Palm? Just
2.
you? Just 2?
2.
You own both of them?
No.
Where's the next? We're going to find out where the next one is, but is it close to here or?
It's 10-15 minutes from here.
Okay. I came in here at 8:30 this morning and the breakfast was almost done. They were switching up upon them, so y'all must
Yeah, we open at 7 a.m.
Y'all must be very busy.
Yeah, for breakfast, and then you have lunch, and then we have dinner from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, all right, Keisha. I got a few more questions.
Okay.
So, what are you? Make sure I got to be on camera too.
Wait,
people.
let me.
Continue work. Work. You can continue work as I ask you question. She's working, people. I say that. You don't see much owners working in the establishment. She's actually working.
Oh.
So it's a beautiful thing. We like that. People, they have jerk pork. We know fire for pork, but some people like pork. If you like pork out
He's
there.
so silly. Oh gosh.
I'm giving them a.
Hello. Morning.
Here, you know it's a good spot when the community come and deliver. Look at this. Hurricane relief stuff. You know the community love the place. So would you view this as a community spot? Is the food? Yeah? The food is good.
Excellent.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Excellent.
And what do you have over there?
We got some water. We got perishable items. We got Gatorade water. There's some boxes with clothes in there.
Nice.
Boxes with chips, first aid stuff, whatever it is. That's what we
That's what's up, man. We
got
appreciate it.
more. This is just the beginning.
Right.
So I got to go back and get a second round.
Mike, you Jamaican?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm Jamaican too. You've been here a long time. I can tell you is like me. You're born Jamaican?
No, parents.
Parents? Oh, man, no. Me born Jamaican. We just there a long time.
Okay.
Okay, well, we appreciate you, man. We definitely got to give back to the island. I love that.
Of course, man.
That's a beautiful thing. I am going to help you bring them in after I finish help her with this fixing this side.
By the time we're done, that means done already.
All right, well, either way, appreciate it.
Yeah, man. All right, bless up.
Yeah. What name?
Patrick.
Patrick, big up yourself. Prime Time Lando on YouTube.
All right, my boss.
Subscribe.
You got it, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it right. Don't laugh.
He rode in that time he rode he hang around trunk, you know what I told you, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
But in the end of the day,
Mm-hmm.
get a 1 point something trillion dollar, but in the idea you can't live 1 point something trillion life. So the little bit of life what you have right now.
You have to preserve it.
Everything, man. That is everything.
I enjoy it.
Yes, everything. When you have life, you have everything.
I really
that's
think.
right there.
Yeah, I really think.
Yeah, man. Until people see that, you got more survivors.
Yeah.
But if we don't see money and see legacy and prettiness, then it's hard to find survival. That's why they live at Jamaica, straighten up your house, you have money, and to build stronger firmament, stronger structure.
Yeah.
More water, more food, more light, more shelter. The
Yeah,
government of Jamaica is like killing things like a dog. They pay $1 bread.
Yeah.
And I say you can build structure for people and straighten up so enough shelter, enough hospital and enough of it.
Hospital, definitely.
Money, man. A road and enough light and solar and this kind of help people.
Yeah, man.
Two people them blow, we don't have no food, no have no water. And I say over Jamaica just with the election and I keep the feet up there.
True,
He
man.
just get 100 and something. $150 million for our insurance when they drive now.
Yeah. Money did that, man.
I want enough.
Money did
I
that.
remember UK, I send money in there like a signal.
I know people are saying.
They wicked man they put in Paris now. I didn't make it to make a people.
I know money sending in, man.
The man say now, just build some place fire.
Yeah.
Been a disaster and structure.
True.
Healthcare,
True.
water, road, school, buses, transportation. We need that. Drainage, we need that. You don't be a kid in of a Jamaica house. And I talk about, wait, come on, man. Well, if you
respect. Heard that, people. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear that, but the boss was speaking some facts.
But it's not ranch. It's separate. Because you have bones in it. It's more like muscle shop.
People, we here again with the owner. So, last year, people, my wife's family got jerk turkey, right? And I was wondering, like, where did they get this jerk turkey from? Come to find out, they jerk turkey. And remember, Thanksgiving is coming up. How do you sell the jerk turkey?
We do 12 to 15 pounds of jerk turkey. We do it whole. So
Whole?
whole jerk turkey. And it's not only jerk turkey. Some people want plain turkey, or we do like sweet and sour turkey.
Yeah.
But most of what sells is a jerk turkey.
Okay. Do you deliver or they got to pick it up?
Both. We do both. So you can get it delivered to you with a fee, but you could pick it up right here the day before Thanksgiving. On Wednesday, it goes crazy with jerk turkeys just going.
That's beautiful.
And then you have to place your order by Saturday, by Wednesday, yeah.
Thursday. Okay.
Because Thursday is Thanksgiving, so you want to place the order by Saturday because we need to make sure it's marinated and stuff like that. So
well seasoned. We like with food fully
well
seasoned.
Yes.
That's true. Now, how long have you been to this location?
December coming will be 7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
Wow. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. The food look good. I'm definitely ready to eat.
Good.
My belly is growling. I wanted to catch breakfast, but I came here just a little bit late. I missed breakfast, people.
Yeah, we're open at 7 a.m. So
7 a.m.,
breakfast
which is crazy.
By 8:30, breakfast is done.
Okay. Well, the lunch looked good, so she already made my food. I'm going to enjoy the food. I appreciate you guys for having me.
Yes, yes. So get your jerk turkey in. It's $89.99.
Tell the people where you're located. Where are you located?
I am located at 958 South Military Trail in West Palm Beach in the Polo Grounds Shopping Plaza.
You heard that? People, make sure you come out and check out the place. The food look good. I'm going to tell you how good the food is after I taste it. All right, people, it's game time. It's time to do what we came here to do, which is eat some food. So right now we have salmon. What kind of salmon is this?
Baked pineapple salmon.
Baked pineapple salmon. And yes, it looks good. Rice and peas. Listen, I judge Jamaican spot by the rice, you know. So we'll tell you if they can cook or not. We judge it by the rice. Then I have plant-based stew. Yeah. I'm sure I want to get you some white rice, but I don't want to eat too much, you know. Yeah, but I'm blessed with food. Father God, we just want to thank you for the food. Pray that the food be a blessing and healing to my body. In the name of Yeshua, amen. Time to eat. Rice first. Got rice we are dealing with. Still about the rice. Rice looks shelly. Appearance is good so far. Okay. Coconut milk, they kick. Okay. Scotch bonnet pepper, you can. It's flavor. Rice good. Gravy good. Cheers, salmon. Let me tell you something. Most people don't know how to cook salmon now. I'm the salmon expert. Most people overcook salmon. So we're going to see if they overcook it or not. We're going to tell you right now. Pretty good. This is a shocker, actually. Most Jamaican spots don't overcook salmon. This salmon is actually cooked just right, which is a shocker. If Jamaican can cook regardless, you know, so. But we don't really know if we cook salmon, but they actually cook the salmon right. Okay. Salmon is good. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's get to the stew. I gotta sample everything because I had them turn off the music so YouTube don't hit us. Dumpling. I didn't even taste most. I just tasted the dumpling. I can taste the flavor on the dumpling. The coconut milk is in there. It's kicking. Yo, this is good. This is good already. It's bad. I should have got some white rice, but it's bad. It's bad. Baby, I'm feeling it. It's good. Food bad. Food bad. Nah, like, I'm not gonna lie, people. The food is delicious. I never had salmon cooked like this before. With the pineapple, it's pretty good. Very good. All right, people. The salmon good. I had their snappers before. Snapper good. Meat, I don't eat meat. So I think I gotta start traveling with somebody who eats meat. I just eat fish. That's all I eat is fish, seafood. That's it. Nothing else. No shellfish, nothing else. Just fish. Only shellfish I eat is conch. But so I can tell you that much. The fish is good. The snapper is good. The plant-based stuff is good. The currygoat look bad. Jerk chicken look bad. Oxtail look bad. Cold foot look bad. Whew, it's hot. Hold on. What's up, people? Hold on. No. All right, look. food was amazing, people. I gotta be careful doing all these food reviews. I gotta make sure I go work out. Cause I'm eating good. I haven't ate a bad spot yet, trust me. I'm not just telling y'all this food is good and it's not good. I'm sure eventually I'm gonna run across a bad one. I'm definitely gonna tell you it's bad. The food not good. Food not good. Big up Golden Krust. The food was amazing. The salmon, like it's very rare I find a Jamaican spot that cook the salmon right. Cause you know, so salmon is really not our thing. And the salmon was cooked just right. They usually overcook the salmon. Cause I'm a salmon guy. I know when salmon is overcooked. But this salmon was amazing. I love the flavor. The flavor was all there. It was all there, just throwing hands off my tongue. That sounds weird. But yeah, the food was good, people. Shout out to Golden Krust. Make sure y'all order their jerk turkey. The jerk turkey is amazing. I'm gonna drop the video somewhere in here because I got the video of our Thanksgiving last year, and yeah, check it out. That from what I heard, the jerk turkey was amazing. So check them out, man. Remember, Golden Krust, West Palm. I'll drop the address somewhere down here. I don't know. It's gonna be down in the description also. Check them out. Tell them Primetime Lando sent you. You might get a discount. I don't know. But I told y'all, I get them exclusives, baby. I told y'all I was gonna be in the back. You gotta read the room also. You gotta be able to read the room and know what some restaurants you don't want to go to the back. Like, now I want to go back there. Some people not gonna allow that, but I appreciate them for letting me come to the back end and review their stuff. So shout out to what's her name, Lakeisha. Big up yourself, Lakeisha. Guys, make sure you share and promote, like, comment, all of that good stuff that YouTube people do. Push this video, man. I definitely got some more food reviews coming. If you in the South, all right. If you in the South Florida area, maybe if you're in Florida, you got some good food, and you want me to come review your spot, test out your food. I eat strictly seafood. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me know. Drop down in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna reach out to you. I'm gonna come check y'all out. All right, it's your boy Lando, and I am the man, though. Okay, I'm out.